In 2007, the California Air Resources Board passed a regulation to reduce emissions from drayage trucks operating at all of California's ports and intermodal rail yards. There are important deadlines associated with this regulation, the first of which is approaching fast. By September 30, 2009, all drayage trucks wishing to operate at California's ports and intermodal rail yards must be registered in the Drayage Truck Registry, or DTR. A drayage truck is a diesel-fueled Class 8 vehicle with a gross vehicle weight of more than 33,000 pounds. The upside is the registration is free and can be completed online by following the Register Your Truck link at www.arb.ca.gov/drayagetruck. The registration process is simple to complete and requests information on your truck, the engine model year, and its compliance status. You can also register online at the OT 411 Center in Oakland, or print out the form and submit it by fax to 916-445-5023, or mail the form to California Air Resources Board, Drayage Truck Registry, SSD, P.O. Box 2815, Sacramento, California, 95812-2815. The downside is that failure to register a drayage truck by the September 30, 2009 deadline can result in penalties. Registration is the first step towards compliance with the new engine model year emission requirements in California. The details of these requirements can be found online at this address or at the OT 411 Center in Oakland, and will be enforced starting January 1, 2010. Operators of trucks that already comply with the emissions regulations can request a free compliance label to affix to their truck. The label will aid in identification at ports and rail yards. This label can be requested by checking a box on the DTR registration application. The label should be affixed to the truck on the bottom of the driver's side door. To sum it up, you must register your drayage truck with the DTR by Wednesday, September 30, 2009. The registration form is available to complete online at the OT 411 Center in Oakland or by fax to Sacramento. Finally, keep an eye out for future informational videos about the new engine model year emission requirements and deadlines. Thanks for watching, and safe driving.